you know, there is the state and there is the citizen. Not just in the case of, I'm not just talking about the case of left-wing extremism or anything for that matter. Even in the case of ordinary criminal law, let's put it ordinary criminal law. You go to a high court. How big is the AG office? Bahut bada. There's an AG office, deputy AG office, so much money, so many government panels, so much money is going there to defend the state. Look at the legal aid office. That is for the citizen. How many good lawyers do you have there? How many, you know, I've been in the jail and I have seen people who are there for years together languishing because their legal aid lawyers don't even have, because they're not even paid something reasonable that they can take a mulaqat. During the COVID time, they were not allowed to travel on trains, they could not take a cab and come down and see. I mean, you can't be paid 3,500 or 5,000 rupees.
For our viewers, so that they understand, this department, legal aid, is basically lawyers from the state which are appointed for criminals.
Yeah.
So if you can't afford a lawyer,
exactly, and that is a constitutional right. It's in the constitution.
So if you can't afford a lawyer, the state will provide a lawyer, so they can argue your defense.
So at least give them a level playing field, yeah, for God's sake.
So which is a completely ignored department.
Ignored department. So actually, what the PUCL does is that when violence is done by people, the state is there. But when violence is done by the state, who is going to defend the citizen? No? When there is a riot, when there is a police firing, who is going to defend the citizen? And that is what PUCL is for. It is an organization of citizens. And it is non-funded. It is a non-funded organization. And let me tell you, I mean, though I belong to the Chhattisgarh Mukti Morcha, which has been at some point of time a registered political party, but I am no longer part of the Chhattisgarh Mukti Morcha, because if you are a post bearer of the PUCL, you cannot belong to any political party. Why? Because we have to fight in the Congress government also, we have to fight in the BJP government also, we have to fight in the BJD government also, in the BSP government also, in the MVA government also. Everywhere there are atrocities against the citizens. There are evictions, there are demolitions, there are lathi charges, there are firings, there are so many things happening all the time. So that is, you need a citizen's body to defend the citizens.